First step is to open the cream colorant tube by piercing it. Then break the tip of the Careplex serum. Then put the Careplex serum into the applicator bottle. Put as well the cream colorant. Then recap tightly. Shake the bottle to mix them thoroughly. Apply the mixture to hair starting from the hairline on the forehead. Continue with a downward and backward sectioning until the roots and ends are completely covered. My hair is actually black, however, because of aging, I have some white hair, so I've decided to do hair dyeing. Leave on for 30 minutes for color to develop. Lift hair constantly from scalp to promote air circulation and even spreading of hair color. If you wish for more color, leave on color for another 5 to 10 minutes, but not longer. You can also do a strand test by simply wiping the dye off some hair strands with cotton or tissue in order to check your desired coloration. Next step is to rinse off color until water runs clear. Shampooing right after coloring isn't necessary. Lastly, apply the entire contents of 1 sachet of Vitreous Deep Conditioning Treatment Cream on the hair. Gently massage onto the hair and leave for 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse. So here's my hair now. It's full black, no more strands of white hair. In case you need the link of the product, check my description box. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Eliza, and see you again next time. Thank you also, babe, for making my hair more beautiful.